Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel for all pocket watch enthusiasts. In today's video, I'll be showing you a 1925 Elgin Grade 291 with 7 jewels. Stick around until the end to discover some fascinating facts about the history of the Elgin Watch Company. The Elgin National Watch Company was founded in 1864 in the city of Elgin, Illinois, with the goal of producing high-quality watches on a large scale and at affordable prices. Its first model, the B.W. Raymond, was completed in 1867, marking the beginning of a journey that would make Elgin the largest watch manufacturer in the United States. During the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Elgin became known for its precision and reliability, especially with its railroad watches, which were essential for train safety at the time. The company invested heavily in technology and innovation, developing sophisticated and durable movements that became industry standards. During World War II, Elgin shifted its production toward the military effort, manufacturing chronometers, altimeters, and other navigation instruments. After the war, it returned to civilian production with automatic and electric models, maintaining a strong presence in the American market. However, starting in the 1950s, competition from Swiss and Japanese watches began to affect its sales. The original factory was closed in 1964, and the company ceased operations in 1968. The Elgin Grade 291 is a 16-size, 7-jewel pocket watch movement produced by the Elgin National Watch Company between 1904 and 1928. It was designed as a reliable and affordable timepiece, aimed at everyday use while still maintaining the quality and precision for which Elgin was well known. This movement features manual winding, small seconds at the 6 o'clock position, and a full-plate design, typical of Elgin's early 20th century engineering style. The Grade 291 was not a high-end railroad grade movement, but rather a durable and accurate workhorse, widely used by people who needed a dependable watch for daily life. Produced in large quantities, the Grade 291 became one of Elgin's most popular and long-lasting calibers, representing the brand's commitment to combining American craftsmanship with practical functionality. Today, it remains a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts for its historical value and solid mechanical construction.